Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video we're going to take a look at the excessive amount of space that Snapchat can take up on your mobile device. Now today we're going to be doing this on the iPhone, but essentially it's going to be the same procedure if you're using iPhone or Android devices. We might do a separate Android version if you're interested. If you are, let me know in the comments section below. But yeah, Snapchat is one of those things which is actually quite a handy thing to have for keeping in contact with people, but it does take up a lot of room on your phone. So let's head over to our iPhone and see how much space we can actually claim back. So the first thing we're going to do is go into our system settings and go into General, and we'll take a look at iPhone storage. So as you can see in iPhone storage, this one's got 128 gigs, and currently Snapchat is taking up over 15.5 gigabytes of space. Now it's really tempting just to go into it and either offload the app or delete the app, whichever, but if you still want to carry on using it but you don't want it to take up all your room, that's probably not a great idea. So let's go into the Snapchat application itself, and from your first screen click on your user profile and then click on the settings cog in the top right hand corner. Next, you're going to want to scroll down towards the bottom of the settings page into where we've got the privacy controls section. So in privacy controls, if we go into clear data, now in here we've got lots of options, so we can trim down the majority of things which are taking up the room. You can go in and do things such as delete search history, clear autofill, delete my selfie, etc., delete AI data. But the one which is taking up the most room is this one here, clear cache. So click on clear cache. Now it's going to get a message up saying clear all cache. All of your caches will be cleared and Snapchat will restart. Your memories backup won't be deleted. So obviously if you want to go ahead, click on clear. If you're a little bit concerned you may lose something, click on cancel and forget it. So I'm going to click on clear. And depending on the size of your cache, this could take a very short time or it could take absolutely ages, but just be patient and let it do its thing. When the cache has been cleared, you'll get a message saying Snapchat needs to restart. When you tap OK, the app will close. So click on OK. And there we go, that section is done. So now if we go back into settings and go back into our iPhone storage, we can now see Snapchat is using up a much more acceptable 1.9 gigabytes. Now that's obviously not great, it's still the biggest one on my list, but certainly 2 gigabytes is a lot better than almost 16 gigabytes. So there you go, there is a quick and easy way of restoring a lot of storage space on your iOS device or maybe on your Android device if you're doing this on Android, especially these days where obviously memory and storage isn't expandable. So I think this is a really good way of claiming back some of that wasted space. Hopefully this video has been useful to you. If it has, smash the like button. If you want to see more content like this on a daily basis, maybe consider hitting subscribe, and if you do that, click on the all notifications, and that way you'll be notified of future video releases. But for now, I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.